Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, bringing you yet another in my series of epic bathroom reviews. And this is the Rose Ella from BelleTress in the color Cola with Cherry. I love Cola with Cherry. It's one of my favorite colors from the BelleTress line. It's a little less intense auburn than, say, the Cayenne with Ginger Root, which is really, really auburn. To demonstrate the point, here's the difference, because here's Cayenne with Ginger Root. See, that's a lot more auburn. So this is a much more subdued sort of auburn brown color. It's kind of like a number 30 with some nice medium brown blended in, and little hints of caramel brown as sort of like a highlight shade, but really fine little sections of it. Really beautiful color, and the rooting is like a medium brown. It's super pretty. And I think it looks really delicate on this Rose Ella wig, which is luscious. This is a great wig. I don't always say that right off the bat, but look how pretty Rose Ella is. It's just got this lovely sort of mid-length, okay, with this beautiful, soft, big wave pattern. It's got a very flat profile. It doesn't have like a gigantic bump it in the back. I mean, it's just very natural looking. And the hair, look how very little shine there is. I'm indoors. Usually this would be like disco ball levels of shiny, and it's not at all, because it's a heat-friendly synthetic fiber, which tends to be a little bit less shiny overall. Now, it is a little bit more prone to static and styling damage. So because of that, make sure you're gentle when you're combing it and heat styling it, though why would you want to heat style it? This texture is divine. And on top of that, like maybe, you know, use a little bit of like Simply Styled silicone serum, say that 10 times fast, or something of that nature to try to help keep the static away. But before I do anything else to Rose Ella, which by the way, this is right out of the box, let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what she looks like on all sides. She's really, really pretty. I love this one. I think it's really pretty. It's probably one of my favorites from the BelleTress line. It's not too poofy. The curls are very elegant without being overwhelming or too retro looking. I just think this is really a lovely, elegant sort of mid-length style. The front and sides on Rose Ella are 12 inches. So relatively long. The first layer stops right around here on me. The nape is 11 inches. The back is 19, and the overall length from the top of the crown down to the bottom of the hair is 19 inches. So let me go ahead and take Rose Ella off now so I can tell you more about this cap construction. So, Rose Ella has a left side monofilament side part. Looks like she needs to be washed, just saying. It looks like there's a little bit of glue from the factory on my sample piece, but I don't think that that's really a deal breaker. It just honestly looks like it needs to be washed. But I digress, but in case you can see that, I can see that too. We've also got a lace front that sort of goes straight across. So, I mean, that's less than ideal, but you know, it's still workable. We've got open wefts on the side. And in the back, we've also got an extended felt nape that adjusts a bit like a bra strap in the back, as well as felt here on the ear tabs, a little bit of metal in there for security. And let me show you that part. Right now it's got the zigzag on it, but you can kind of see the knots. Let me see if I can part that a little better. I don't want to mess with it too much because it's a wavy style, and that can kind of mess with the way the wig lays. But there's that part. Hopefully it'll focus. There we go. Beautiful color, like I said before, this Cola with Cherry. It's got just enough auburn in it, but it's just kind of like a nice natural auburn brown color. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I mean, it's always nice when it looks natural, even when it's got that regrowth appearance because of the root. And that's all she wrote. That's super easy to apply, super easy to wear. Just make sure you protect her with products that will help prevent styling and static damage, and she'll look like this for quite some time for you. Hair fiber, by the way, on these BelleTress wigs feels really nice. So this has been the Rosella by BelleTress in the color Cola with Cherry. I highly recommend this one. It's really beautiful on. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com, bringing you wig reviews on the road and everywhere in between. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I look forward to seeing you again next time, and check out my wig store if you get a chance. And have a great night. Bye-bye.